Hi guys, this is Bam of adobotech.net, and today I have a new gadget to unbox. This time it's the new realme C2. Uh, I'm not on my office right now where I usually do my unboxing, but instead I'm trying out, the outside. So you might hear some cars at the background as the background noise. So, well, anyway, we have the new entry-level smartphone from Realme, and this one is the predecessor of the Realme C1. Okay, so I guess time to unbox the Realme C2. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, so let's see what's inside. This one, okay, so you have the SIM ejector pin and well, the user guide or important information about the Realme C2. So let's keep it aside. Here we go. So it's the Realme C2 smartphone, and it also includes the micro USB cable and the charger. So it does not include an earphone for this package. Okay, so the Realme C2, it features a 6.1 HD display with 89.35 screen to body ratio. It does have Corning Gorilla Glass for protection. As you can see, it does feature a notch at the top. It's where the 5 megapixel selfie camera is placed. So at the back it has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera sensor. The Realme C2 does not have a fingerprint sensor, but it does support password for security. Let's see. Check. Okay, so for the it support face recognition and password for security lock. Okay, so what else? It's a dual SIM smartphone with 4G LTE. We have here the volume control. At the right side is the power button. So going to the bottom of the device is the micro USB port, the 3.5 audio jack. I believe this one is a microphone and this speaker. Okay, so well, it's powered by 2.0 gigahertz MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor. Realme C2 comes in two variants. The 2 GB plus 16 GB storage is priced at around 5,490, while the 3 GB RAM and the 32 GB storage version is priced at around 6,490. Realme C2 runs on Android 9 Pie with Color OS 6.0. So let's see about the phone. So as you can see there, so it's Color OS 6.0. So this is Bam of adobotech.net. So please do subscribe on our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button below, and you can also read our latest news articles and reviews on our website, which is www.adobotech.net. Thank you for watching.